welcome to Maris Life in Australia. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You may wish to comment too. Australia. Do you know where I am? Today, I am at the Breast Screen WA kasi they sent me a letter to have a free breast screen. Hindi ko matandaan, I can't remember how long ago since I had the last one. And it's really important that as women, we have to have this done. Kailangan natin i-look after natin yung sarili natin. So, I'm here today for the 2:45 appointment. Yung parking ko hanggang 4 o'clock lang. So, I asked kung, is this gonna be finished before 4? I said yes. So, hopefully, it's been a while since I had this done. So, hopefully, all went well. And then, I'll go home. And that's it. Very windy outside. Medyo paulan-ulan. So, here we are at the Breast Screen WA in Midland. Prior to that, she lost 2 babies. That was a quick process. Welcome to Maris Life in Australia. There you go, guys. Tapos na yung breast screen. I realized they said I had it done last year as well. I can't even remember. My God. Here it is. It's not far to locate because it's opposite the area in Midland. So that's it for the day. Didn't even take that long to do the test. You go in there and they put you on your dressing gown, and before you know it, bang, 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 less than 10 minutes is all done. And they are really very gentle. They have to. It is really nice day. It's not so hot, and it's a bit cool, and it's got a nice breeze as well. So there you go, guys. Breast screen. You have to remember that this is very important to have it done and look after yourself as women, because there's so many cancer or death due to cancer. So let's look after ourselves. So if you receive an invitation for a free breast screen, go and do it. Don't try and put it off. Just do it because they offer this free in Australia. So, that's it. Time to go home. Welcome uli sa Maris Life in Australia. Kanina, nag-record ako ng aking visits to the breast screen. So, I've been back home, but I did shopping as well because nagugutom ako, nagke-crave ako ng lumpia. So, bumili ako ng mga ingredients like toge, whatever, etc. etc. At meron pa kasi akong mga iba ingredients sa fridge. So, as soon as I got home, nagmadali po akong magprepara ng pagkain dahil nagugutom ako. Sabi ko sa asawa ko bago ako matapos dito, it will be at least nearly an hour. Tapos nagsalang na ako ng kanin. Of course, kanin baby tayo, you know. Hindi yan mawawala sa mga Pilipino. Kanin. So, eto na po yung aking naumpisahan at nalutong lumpia. Tignan ninyo, ipiprito ko na para makakain ako. Nagugutom na ako. Anong oras na ba? 10 to 5 na. So, ayan yung niluto kong gulay. Napakasarap po. Tinikman ko yung sabaw. Diyos ko, napakasarap. Grabe. So, yung brother ko tsaka yung anak niya, they went to Banning. So, if they're hungry, they can eat when they get home. Kasi ginagawa nila yung aking bathroom. So, if you're looking for some Tyler or renovations or anything, don't waste your time. My brother is the best. The best. Not because he's my brother. I'm telling you, marami na siyang nagawang work sa kanyang mga bathroom reno, sa mga kitchen reno. Jack of all trades siya. He can do everything. And I tell you what, he's so freaking good. Gills Styling. Guills. Tiling. Hanapin nyo yan. Tiyak nasa Facebook yan. So, ayan. Mainit na po yung ating mantika. Yeah, I cook in caldero. There you go. When you're cooking, you can't avoid making all this little mess at the end, see? Because when I was stirring my, how you call it? My lumpia, it's spilling everywhere. Ayan, mainit na po ang mantika. Wow, yummy. So, mamaya ko na iluluto yung iba. I'll just cook what I want to eat kasi nagugutom na ako. So, if my husband, my brother, and his son wants to eat, ayan, may lumpia. Nako, sarap nito. Hey, welcome ulit. Maris Life in Australia. I'm cooking vegetarian spring rolls. There you go. And that consists of sweet potato, bean sprout, cabbage, and if you want you can add parsley, bichuelas. So there you go, it's cooked. This one is just for me, the rest can have theirs later on. Gutom na po ako. Ayan, there you go. Ang sarap niyan. Nagawa na lang tayo ng sukang sausawan at ayan yung pinaggawaan natin. Ayan po, my goodness. So delicious. At tignan natin ang ating kanin. There you go. Luto na po siya. So, let's put some rice in here. My God, I don't think I can eat all of this. It will be too much. But, just put that there. And then we'll get some rice. Let's put a lid on that one. Because that's an excess, but my wrappers are still frozen. So, yummy. Yummy. I got love on my tummy. Ulitin natin. Gusto niyo bang magulat? Oh my goodness. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Okay. You know what rice I use, guys? I use sushi rice. Napakasarap ng sushi rice. Rather than all the jasmine rice, or sometimes I use basmati. And you don't have to use a lot of water. Napakasarap. Very delicious rice. Sushi rice. Okay, there we go. So, I'm just thinking whether should I get some vinegar or just actually use the sauce from the sauteed vegetable. Oh my God, gutom na pa ba kayo? Gutom na kayo? Ang sarap higupin yan. Napakasarap higupin ng sabaw. There you go. Now, let's cover this kasi I'll continue cooking later in the meantime. Eto, kain muna tayo. And I have to grab some vinegar. So we're using the Filipino Silver Swan vinegar. Ayan. Ayan. Perfect. You know, vinegars come in white and they come in brown. But I like the white. But at the end of the day, they're both same, sour. So I put a little bit of soy sauce. I'm supposed to put some garlic there as well. But guess what? I can't be bothered. Basta't nagugutom na ako, wala na akong kakilala. Pati ulo nyo kakagating ko na. Hungry na guys. I'm so hungry na talaga. I need to sit down na. Oh, uy, yung beauty ko. It's too tiring to do cooking. Yes, 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 yes. Let's do this. Let's do this. Mmm. 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 Ang sarap. Yummy. Ang sarap po. Ang sarap-sarap po. Mmm. Ngayon, gusto ba kayo? Nagugutom na rin ba kayo? Ayan. Ginamit ko na yung table, yung cushion. Mmm. Mmm. Kaya lang, nagugutom na ako din na nagluto. You have to try this. Because I didn't start showing the preparation because I was starving. So you just see the end product. But you know, everybody has iba-ibang technique ng pagluluto. Again guys, I'm telling you, use sushi rice for your plain steamed rice. It's really nice. It's got that sweet taste. I try not to eat a lot because white rice will upset my stomach. But I'm not really keen sa brown rice. All you can hear from me is napakasarap po. Kumain na tayo, kain na tayo. Do you know my husband is so easy to feed? You're not, how you call it? Hindi siya, my husband is not fussy. So easy to feed. Anything I cook, he'll try it. You know? Sorry for those who's married to the ones that are very fussy. Hirap yata magpakain ng napakasela na tao. Diyos ko. Nakaranas na ba kayo yan? Magluluto ka, magpe-prepare ka, chop, cook sa init, lahat. Pagkatapos seselan, nako, konsumisyon. And also guys, you know what's my secret in making these vegetable spring rolls? The secret is the sweet potato. If you're using sweet potato, don't buy the white one, okay? You have to buy the